In this video, I'm going to try to attempt to upgrade to macOS Sonoma, developer beta or public beta. Let's see which one I can pick. So, in order to do that, go to System Settings. Click on General. Click on Software Update. Click on the beta updates if you have it enabled. Then select macOS Sonoma, public or developer beta. For me, we're going to select developer beta. Click on Done. Then it will start to check it. Please wait. Then, once it found an update like this, if you see an update now, or if you see an option called upgrade now, click on that. You have to agree to all of this, which we're going to click on agree. Then it's going to start to download it. And then once that's complete, the installer will launch. Now, follow on-screen steps to upgrade to macOS Sonoma, developer or public beta.